Here I am using these yarns, and they are 70% acrylic and 30% wool. And also I'll be needing these scissors and my crochet needle. Okay, so what I'm doing here is making my chains, and I'm going to be making enough chains to measure 36 across. So once I'm done with this blanket, the measurements would be 36 by 36. Okay, so I've completed the chains. Okay, so now I begin making the pattern for the blanket, and the blanket consists of 2 double crochet and 1 single crochet. Okay, so this is what the pattern looks like, and as you can see, it started to create the pattern that I want for the blanket. So I had to take a break because my fingers got so tired. So just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So here I go again, beginning to crochet the rest of the blanket, and the sun is out bright, as you can see how it's glaring on my hands. Okay, so this is as far as I reach. I had 6 yarns, and it wasn't enough for me to complete the blanket, the size of blanket that I needed. So this is exactly where it ends. What I need to do is just wait for the delivery of the other yarns in order to continue and finish the blanket. Okay, just received the yarns, thank God. Actually, they didn't stay too long to come. The delivery service was really quick in spite of the bank holidays that we have here. And I took one out, already used that, so now I'm using the other one. So this is the second one that I'm using, as I said. So what I'm going to do is continue making the blanket, and as soon as it's done, I'll show you the full size of it. Okay, so the blanket is finally finished. I am so happy. My hands are surely killing me. But anyway, I'm happy that it's done. The colors are so vibrant. It's so chunky, and the size is just the right size. So once the customer receives this, I'm sure that they'll be very happy with it. Okay, so I had some yarn left over, and I decided to make this little beanie with the ears. Thank you guys for watching. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you for watching. See you next time.